Hi guys, I hope you had a lovely day. My day was good too, and today I made this beautiful halter top that I'm going to share with you guys how to make now. So this is my fabric. This is the fabric that I went with today. So these are two rectangular fabrics and the width is my bust and it's for both of the fabrics. And then these are the fabric strips that I put at the bottom that were 10 inches wide. I just liked the contrast of the colors. So the first thing that I did on the smaller fabrics was to just iron them out, and then I folded in the edges and ironed them. Then after that I now folded it in half and then ironed it again. So I did this for two of the fabrics, for the front and for the back. Then I went back to my bigger fabrics and then I started to attach them on the bottom where I had the raw edge. So this was actually helpful to also hide the raw edge, otherwise I would have had to hem it. Then I would just put the African print fabric inside the light blue fabric and then just pin it together. So I did this for both of the fabrics, the front and the back, and then I just sewed that over. So I now went on to the sides and then I used my pinking shears to just cut the sides, and this is just to prevent fraying. But the wiser option, I realized later, would have been to actually just fold in and hem all these edges together and make sort of like a French seam. Then I went to the top and then I just folded in about an inch and then I just pinned. I did this for both fabrics and then I just went ahead and I sewed that on the sewing machine.
To the E to the K, nah, nah, Kekay. Every time I want to do, diamonds in a time when you gotta go.
So I now placed my two fabrics, the front and the back, right sides facing each other, and then I pinned them on the sides. And then I measured about 10 inches from the top, and then I went ahead and then I sewed the side seams together.
She wants see wonder, one get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your game, my game, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man.
After sewing the side seams, I now went on to the armholes where I had these open raw edges, and then I just folded them in and then I sewed. And I did this on both sides of the armholes.
Moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wonder. She on the air, she's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me I own, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it own, girl, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got
So to make the drawstring, I used 1.5 meters by 1.5 inches, and then I folded in the edges, and then I also folded it in half to make sure that all the raw edges were hidden, and then I just went ahead and then I stitched it on the sewing machine.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She had me heaven, now so me say. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She had me heaven, now so me say. She wants a wonder, bad man, na na na. Kekay, Youngbodzy, baby. I see.
And then I used this safety pin to insert the drawstring, just like that.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try.
So at this point we basically had a top.
I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your
When you wear it, you just tie it on the side like that. So the top doesn't really have a front or a back, but so this is what we got in the end. I really like the contrasting colors that I have there. So let me know if you're going to be trying out the simple top design, and I'm going to see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow, so stay tuned.